In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and attach your sanding belt to your belt sander. So the first step is to always disconnect the plug from the power source before attaching or removing your belt. Place your sander on its side and grab this, pull the lock lever out and towards the front of the tool. You'll see it's now fully out and towards the front of the tool. Carefully grab your old sanding belt . Pull that out. Get your new sanding belt, and you see this arrow here. You want to make sure that the arrow on your belt matches the direction and the arrow on your sander. So now that I've got that, I'm going to insert the new sanding belt around both rollers, slide it down in place, center the sanding belt over the rollers and the bottom plate. Got that centered. Then push the lock back to its original position to return tension to the belt. And there you have it. Hope it helps.